Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix screen flickering issue in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on display and brightness. Now if you turn on your auto brightness, then turn it off. After turn off your auto brightness, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and then click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it. Now enter your password to reset all the settings. Reset all the settings. It will destroy all the settings but never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other data. It will only reset your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.